Go to your browser and type download Windows 11 ISO and hit enter. Here you will see www.microsoft.com, download Windows 11, just click on it. If you see a different language, just scroll to the bottom. You'll see the little icon of the planet, click on the language next to it, and select the version or the language that you want. We will be redirected to this page. So just click on Windows 11 and wait to be redirected. At this stage, we are going to select the Windows Multi-Edition ISO for 64 devices. You can select this option, but there is another option which is Create Windows 11 Installation Media. So we will just click download, but we will not use it fully. We'll just use it to download the Windows ISO. Click on it once downloaded, because this will allow us to have additional options to use. So it was creation tool. Click yes if Windows will ask you to allow this app to make changes, and continue. A little icon or little device or software will appear here, and we'll click next on it. It seems it didn't work, so we will try to run as administrator. So as I said, this little software will appear here, Windows 11 setup, and it will allow us to download the Windows ISO file that we want. We'll be able to change the language and the edition. So here we will have Microsoft Software License Terms. I invite you to read through, and after that you need to click accept so that you are prompted to the next option. At this stage, untick use the recommended option for this PC. Select the language that you want, and you will have only one edition, Windows 11, and click next. At this stage, select ISO file and click next. You'll be asked to choose the location where you need to save your ISO file, so I invite you to rename it Windows 11 and save it wherever you want and click save. You will need to wait up to 5 or maybe sometimes 10 minutes based on how fast is your internet. My internet is very fast, so it should take me 3 to 5 minutes as a max. I will just pause the video here and we'll continue on the next option, or to show you what we have to do next. So now the download has been completed. We have Windows 11 ready, so we will just click to locate the file. So here we can see it, and it's ready to be used. So we can just go ahead and click finish. It will state that it takes a few minutes, but in reality it takes just a few seconds to finish the setup.